Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 7th video in Python 3 basic programming language. In the previous video we have learned how you can create a dictionary in Python programming language. In this video I'm going to talk about creating tuples in Python programming language. So first of all, what are tuples? Tuples are similar to Python list, but the difference between tuple and Python list is this, that when we create tuples, we cannot add, delete, replace or reorder the tuples. So when we are going to create a list, we can add, we can append, we can delete, we can replace the elements of a list. But when we are going to create a tuple, in tuple we cannot do add, delete or replace the elements. So creating of tuple, this is simple. So you can simply write t1. For example, I'm going to create tuples of integer value, and you can simply print t1 like this. And now if I run this, if I run my application, now you can see we have a tuple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also you can create a tuple from array. So let me create t2 tuple. It is a built-in method in Python language, and I want to create from array for 5, 6, 7, and I can print t2. And now if I run this, you can see that I have this tuples from array. Also you can create tuples of a string. So t3 tuple and abc. So I'm going to print t3. Now if I run this, you will see abc character. Yeah, this is the tuple of characters. Also there are some different functions that we can do on tuples. For example, you can print the mean of tuple. Let me print the mean of t1 tuple 1. Now if I run it, you can see that this is the main value in our tuple. Also you can print the max value. Let me do all functions, print max of t1. Also you can sum, so print the sum of t1. You can print the length of tuple 1, and let me run it. Now you can see that this is the max value, this is the sum of t1 tuple 1, and this is the length of tuple. Also you can do iteration on a tuple. You can simply, for example, I'm going to create a t5 and I want to create a tuple. And you can simply iterate on the tuple using for loop for I in t5, and you can simply print I. Now let me run it. So you can see that this is the iteration of our tuple. Also you can do slicing in tuples if you want. For example, print t5. I want the element from 0 up to 2, and print t. Oh, sorry, this is not okay. Now let me run it. And you can see that this is the element of 0 up to 2. Also we can use in and not to check the existence of an item, and it will give us a true or false value. So let me show you the example. Print 11 in T5. So I'm going to print that if 11 is in T5, because we have 11 in T5, and if I run this, I will get a true Boolean value. So if I do a value that is not in my T5, print for example 99 in T5, and for this I will get false because I don't have 99 in my tuple. So thank you guys. If you have any question, suggestion, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video.